Hello cool kids, and in today's video we're gonna be playing I Am Bird. I am Cool Dude. Cool Fool's not here sadly. And the other people that is in our channel. I don't know if there's others. I think it's just me and Cool Fool. But we need to build a bigger audience. I'm sorry I haven't been posting for a long time. I should have said that in the other two videos I've made. I don't know. Okay. The reason I haven't been posting is because I just haven't been wanting to, because I've been pretty bored because there's been nothing to play. But I Am Bird, it's a new game to me. Should be very fun. Okay, we're gonna get to start. Pretty easy. I've climbed and I'm a cat. Do you have to, and I'm cat. Do you have to hold trigger? No, you don't have to hold trigger, but I'm gonna be holding trigger because that's what I used to do. You can fly in this game. Oh yeah, you are, because you're a pigeon. No, not a pigeon. Oh yeah, you are a pigeon. But why does it say bird? I don't know. Not sure, viewers. We're going. Okay. Now let's go. Stop. Puzzle pieces. Guys, I'm gonna be like, quick skit. Those ads be like, yeah, this is the right one. Oh, but actually, for real. 1, 2. Stack to the scrapped block. 3. Sorry, you've been coughing a lot. I've been having a bit of a cold. Huh? Wait, what? This is weird. Really weird. I think I have to keep shooting it. Yeah. To the city. I've heard that this game is like GTA, but you're not a human. You're a pigeon. I think that should make sense. I don't know if it makes sense. I don't know if it does. If it doesn't, I'm gonna fight you. I'm just joking. I wouldn't do that. Oh my gosh, the AI board. I don't know if it's AI. I wasn't trying to sound Mexican, I promise. Because I'm not a mean person. Oh yeah, that is.
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snake.
Why is that 2 stars? Oh, that has to be. It can't be. Bye, brother. Whew. I need a gun. You have a gun? Woo.
Send it once.
Please. I'm leaving them out, viewers. Viewers, I gotta go. Guns and arms. Oh, I forgot. That's not a mission. That's just my. I don't even have to rate it. I think it's rating. Rating is missing. You don't look like a cool dude. Stick 2 stars. You either. Not you two.
Take this back.
Oh, Karen. I didn't even do anything and she just started throwing stuff. That's all I know. She's a Karen.
Put a pin in it.
We
Target
we're
airborne.
gonna cause so
Take a shot.
much. Is this what I think it is? Ah, just a deagle.
Engage on sight.
Die! I need the most stars. I need a lot of stars. I want the authorities to come to me in the game. That's what
Down.
I need a semi-automatic. No, I need an automatic gun. It's the Karen! It's the Karen! Too good. It's best. Don't try to fight me. It's the Karens! No! Viewers, I think we're about to die. No!
Think fast, flapper. Falcon, try dodging. Target acquired.
You gotta go! Move,
Clear
move,
lane
move!
10. London, pushing fire. Cease.
Oh, that's a semi. That's a semi. Exactly what I needed.
For my prize.
Feathers down. Lock.
Wonder why I'm only staying on 2-star viewers. I've already cost
Airborne sky.
too much
Take
heavy.
shot. Lock.
You look like not a cool dude. Oh, that's a steal. Whew. I'll be your captain today. Ah! Okay, cool kids. I don't think that's how it should have went. I don't think. Okay, let's do the missions. First mission. That looks like a fist, or is that a fist? Is that a fist? I don't know. Actually, you don't deserve to play it. Ah! That's an instant 4-star! Hi. Okay, you're gonna meet your demise right now. Gotta hide. Hey viewers, that's not how it was supposed to go. That wasn't not how it was supposed to go. It's not how it's supposed to go. That isn't how it was supposed to go.
Lost the trail, Greek.
Those might be my second games I play on the channel. What the? Hello, deployment people. All I did was grab them. This is steel. Oh, just here for the sniper. I just want the sniper. No, I'm being attacked by so much stuff. I thought I was supposed to go. Get in the safety place. Viewers, why do I keep doing this? Sorry, viewers. I'm sorry I haven't gotten into any.
We got outbirded again.
No, land. No! The nice. Target acquired. Yes, sir. That's an instant 3 stars. 2 stars, not 3 stars. I mean, I think
Nothing on
I'm the Dragon Master. I'm the Dragon Warrior. I gotta help my friend. Cool kids. May change the name to
Hold your
Silence
beat
only.
forever.
Mute suits you.
Silence.
Don't hurt my.
Left. On me fire. Cease.
You're not living now. I'm not gonna let you. I won't ever let you live ever again. Help me. Yeah, I don't think I don't know if she's dead. If she is, that was a crime. I gotta get in here. Viewers, I'm so sorry. Just because he was hurting my friend. Such an innocent son of stars. Hi. Hey, Pi.
Vanished like my future.
Okay, we're gonna lock the heck. Those binoculars. Binoculars. Let's start with a city overview. Reach the highest point. Reach the highest point. Okay. This is the highest point. I bet I can get. I bet I can get higher than that. Or go higher than that. Mine! It's mine!
Your mic finally muted.
No!
Next chirps, you're lost.
Oh, I need that. I want that.
Denied skier at Perch. Catch these
I'm
ads.
sorry. I couldn't save you, birdie friend. Okay, as we were trying to do, viewers. Oh yeah, if y'all just wanting me to get to the missions, y'all can just skip to the part where I get to the missions. I don't know where's the part where I get to the mission. Welcome. Welcome. You don't have to say that 2 times. Let's start with a city overview. Reach the highest point in the map. In the city. They should make the city bigger.
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snacks.
What? Oh, I got money. Mr. Beast, give me money. No, actually, let's do this instead. Mr. Bird, give me some money.
The
Yeah.
mayor is
Give
speaking
me some
now.
money.
Proceed to the central square at once. Tardiness earns a stern nod.
No. Where is the mayor? Ooh, scooter. Hey, don't caca. Ooh. I'm gonna throw you into just like I threw your friend into one. Bye. Gonna be okay. The floor is my power. I mean, the sky is.
Okay, hide and seek chat.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot I have to get there. That's AI, I can't even read it. Maybe it has letters. It says, great job! Now visit a city landmark. Go to the oldest bridge. Where's the oldest bridge? Bet this is the oldest bridge. Look at this.
Nice breeze.
Corner's feeling friendly today.
Next block.
Can we be friends? Be friends? Yeah, sure, why not? Just don't beat up my birdie friends. Fly through a container. Oh, I already know this is about to be fun. Just gonna bird strike back. Yeah, because y'all strike us, so we strike back. Almost there. Almost there. And here. Oh no! You've been detected by local authorities. You've been detected by local authorities.
Attention citizens.
Take
The mayor
cover
speaks
in-
shortly in the central square.
Which I don't. I haven't been attacked by no one. I'm scared. I thought I could close that.
That's enough cardio for today.
I don't want to fight. But I don't
Tell the gutter I said hi.
Silence. Nice.
Flap elsewhere.
Hurry up.
First fire.
You should not ever do that. That's not nice. Fight back.
Safety off. Send rounds. Left. Lead and fire. Hold your lane.
Let's see how the mayor likes this. Point in the game. Ah! She's dead. Let me hide. Ah, I need that. Oh,
Negative
that's
contact.
disgusting.
Disengage.
Disgusting. I did nothing. I did absolutely nothing. Wait. Signs? No. Need signs. You can eat signs. Viewers, I'm sorry. Viewers. Cool kids. Cool kids.
We'll pick it up later.
This better be the last one. Final task. Enjoy the sunset view. Reach the lighthouse. I don't think there's a sunset view. I don't even think you can be nighttime in this game. I was right. Psycho. I hate cars. Poop on the car. The cars? Why the cars? I don't want to get emotional. I guess so. I mean, it's not a crime to poop on some dumb, stupid
Crosswalk
car.
says wait, I will.
It happens all the time. Ow. Ow.
That was a flyby.
My pardon.
To my
Grounded.
It's okay. It's okay, big guy. I think you're a big guy. You're not a big guy. You're not a big guy. am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Why are you still shooting at me?
Only dry cleaning.
You're in the water. How? Oh. Don't tell me I have to restart this mission. Please don't tell me that. And I have to restart this mission. Some more freaking cars. We're under fire. Take down the drones. Shoot down the drones. I'm gonna get an inch.
30 seconds from me.
You wanna play hide and seek? My Phantom! Boom! I had to taste it before I died. I mean, that's the fastest way of getting 0 stars, if you ask me. If you ask me, that's the fastest way. I feel like he's moving buildings. You get a star for anything. Show no more respect for the statues. Poop on the statue. What do you mean statue? There's only one statue in the game. Nom nom nom.
Enforcement light. In 30 seconds, the speech begins.
Where is the speech held at? I want to know.
All units, reset search.
Oh, I need it, boys. I'm back. I don't have any more quests. Oh, wrong dude. Sorry. I don't have any more quests. Nom nom nom. No. Nom nom nom. Number. Yes. I hate humans. Poop on people. What with pooping on humans or people or I actually have to poop on one specific person. Feather brain. Why him? I mean her, him, or
This last
bringing him back to my friend. Move out my way, Mohawk dude. Turn
slipped. Hold positions.
Why are you aiming run? Time for chaos. Time for chaos. Push down the cat. Move the cart. Support.
Close enough.
I didn't do a single thing. Yeah. I didn't do anything. All I did. Simply touching. Okay, I feel like stop. Shut up. Oh, that's okay, yeah, this has to end soon.
Vanished like my paycheck.
I love money, and I hate ATMs. Smash the ATMs! How? I didn't do anything. I did nothing! Oh, it's the card. Probably simply touched someone like
Logged and dispersed.
this. Yeah. I instantly get the 2 stars. How do you know it's me? What? Okay, yes, it's that cart. It's that annoying cart. I'm waiting. Oh, money. No questions asked. This is all your fault.
Curb.
Whoa.
Velocity.
Fire.
No! I'm not doing more missions. Your supports? No supports. Shoot one down. Except it's not a wing. Why do we use wings if we can just do this or that? Or this? You don't have to flap in this game. Go ask your car to that. What? What's happening? What's happening?
All units reset search.
That's a smash one.
This tempo suits the day.
How do I smash it?
Crosswalk says wait.
Wait. Oh, I wouldn't mind doing that for a living. Inside the game.
Move it.
Panic, panic, all that. Okay, I should probably stop now.
Grounding order. Now.
No! 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 It's this game's fault. My game is glitching so bad. I'm dead. Why can't I move for a split second? What the heck? Nah. Spider-Man? No. No. Of all things, stop doing this. Why do I deserve this? I guess I have to wait this out.
We got outbirded again.
Ah! I can't freaking move. No. Just. They need to fix this issue. Duh. Okay, thank you. I can't even save my good old friend. Look, this is what happened the moment I touched her. Okay, guys, that's the end for this video. My game is glitched pretty bad. Have a good day, a good night, and a good morning.